Hi viewers, in this video we will demonstrate the feature Manage License in Db2 New Gen console. For the navigation to Manage License feature under Next Gen console, from Home page we can select Administration from the side panel. From the list of DBs, select the DB, and from Administration page we can scroll down or search for the Manage License. So before jumping into Manage License feature demonstration, we can quickly go through different types of managed licenses and the feature managed license. What is a software license? A software license is a legal agreement that grants your organization the right to use IBM DB2 under defined terms and limits. IBM offers three models for DB2 SaaS: subscription, BYOL, and annual contract. So we can jump into what is BYOL. Bring your own license. Let's organization use IBM DB2 licenses they already own on IBM Cloud, so they pay only for infrastructure like compute and storage, not the software itself. It is ideal for companies moving from on-premises DB2 to the cloud who want to avoid paying for the same license twice. Who should use BYOL? BYOL is designed for organizations that already hold active IBM DB2 licenses through IBM Passport Advantage, especially those migrating on-premises environment or with unused entitlements. New customers with no existing license should use the standard subscription model instead. So, what licenses are eligible? Eligible editions include DB2 Standard, Advanced, and Enterprise Server Edition, measured in PVUs or VPCs. Developer Edition license do not quantify, and IBM Passport Advantage provides conversion tools to map your existing PVUs to the VPCs need for your cloud deployment. Now we can look into how BYOL works end to end. You verify your entitlement in Passport Advantage, selected the BYOL plan during provisioning, and provide a legal attestation that you hold sufficient license. IBM Cloud then bills for infrastructure only, while ongoing license compliance remains your responsibility. So the managing license in the IBM Cloud console is: the console lets you view and switch your license mode, like subscription, BYOL, or annual, at any time without affecting your data or database configuration. Edition upgrades are supported in place, downgrades are not and would require reprovisioning. IBM doesn't verify entitlement at provisioning. Instead, it relies on periodic audits where you must produce ILMT reports and Passport Advantage records provision. Your usage never exceeds your entitlement. Failing an audit can result in back payment and financial penalties. The BYOL versus subscription. What is the cost comparison? The subscription is similar and all inclusive but costs more per hour. BYOL is cheaper per hour but requires you to already own valid license and manage compliances. For long running production workloads, BYOL saves money. For short term or experimental use, subscription is more practical. So we can look into applying a BYOL step by step. For a new instance, select the BYOL plan in the IBM Cloud catalog, accept the compliances attestation, and the instance is created with infrastructure only billing. For an existing instance, switch to BYOL in the license section of the console. The change takes effect immediately with zero downtime and no data impact. So we can look into the console of manage license feature. So the first step of manage license is select the administration from the side panel, go to console or databases. From the database, we can see the list of databases added to the console. Select one of the database. Under administration, we can see the manage license under the section licensing. We can search for manage license. From the manage license page, we can see different business needs and the change button to select the different types of license types. In each license type, we can see the saving over on demand, price per hour, and estimated monthly cost. From the Learn More link, we can quickly look into the documentation of the IBM provided for managed license in detail. So, how we can change a license type? By default, the managed license type will be selected as on demand. So we can change on demand to 1 year, 3 year, or bring your own license. Select the radio button to select your own managed license and apply or click on the save button. So a few key things to keep in mind is BYOL is a legal self-attestation. IBM doesn't check upfront but can audit retrospectively. Use ILMT to track your actual consumption and stay audit ready. Switching licenses mode never affects your data, only billing changes. Thank you for watching the video.